the seatbelt and just pulled straight through. So yeah, it does need a few MOT repairs, but...
A few MOT repairs? I can see the bloody...
I can see what that is? Come show the viewers what this is.
I'm fucking lucky.
See this hole here? Look, that's less metal there, so it's technically weight reduction.
Weight reduction, no. Won't be weight reduction when we put a big bit of steel over it.
Need to make some more money because you cost me a fortune, mate.
Can you
Does
not?
that look like someone that's
Can
skin?
you actually not?
Brown from the sunbeds, got big eyelashes, probably nails on under there and all, wouldn't there? I bet your toenails got done, got Brooke Noss written across them as well,
No,
isn't
French tip.
you? French tip with Brooke Noss written across them.
No, because I'm not gay.
I thought you were a lesbian. I definitely identify as a lesbian. So there we go, we're getting there. We've got a door bar vaguely on that says her name. She's very busy, as you can tell. Yeah, roof plates on.
Really hurt.
Cage is in. Well, we haven't put the floor plate in yet.
That might have been a mistake.
Might have been a little bit of a mistake.
Oh, that was a mistake. JW Metals. Is that your name? JW Metals. Here's the water box, which still has water in it. Right down the throttle body. Not really sure what happened to the radio either. We're just going to have a tour of the workshop. What's funny?
Is that a radio?
Beep, 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 beep. This is a Mark 7 Fiesta. Raced at Speedway 1600s. This is what I'm going into next. Now this is what I am hopefully going to rent out. I'm joking, I won't be allowed. It is pretty cool. Raced at where did this race? Milden All Weekender, Kev Waller. Reunion. Brand new because the cuts weren't in it on the first bend. That's been done now. It's all fixed.
Well, back to the grind. Doing a bit on the Micra today. Haven't really had time to put any videos up or film much. This is the sort of progress that we're working with at the minute. The engine's practically out, the new one. All the kit's in it, it's all welded up, it's all bolted up in the right places to a degree. So the engine will be coming out soon tonight, and then in a few days we'll stick the other engine in, and then hopefully it'll be ready to race and do stuff and things. So yeah, that's the long and short of it. You've seen me do engines before, probably just as slow now as it was then, but yeah, it's all good fun, isn't it? See you in a bit.